How's everybody doing today? I am actually at my mama's house. See the house? And we got a little bit of snow here in Ohio. And yeah, I know there hasn't been a video all week, but yeah, I had to actually go to the doctors. They found something on me, and I'm not going to go into details right now because I don't know all the details. But I told you guys I had a little bit of a medical thing, and I'm not sick. I don't have a cold or anything like that. But they just, you know, they how can I say this without putting myself under the bus? I'm still good to go. I can still drive. It's nothing like that. But they did find a little bit of a lump on me, and they wanted to make sure they took a little bit of that, and they're checking to see what do you call that, a biopsy or something like that. They take that, and they're seeing what it is. And I've been kind of depressed about it all week, because I knew about this last week. Was it last week? I think it was last week. But they're trying to, they just want to see if it's cancerous or if it's like a tumor or something like that. And I'm not trying to freak people out. I'm not. And it's not on my lung. It ain't nothing like that. But it's on my skin. And they just want to make sure that it's good to go. But you know, when you have something like that on your mind, you kind of think about things, you know. But I will keep you guys up, I promise. But the only reason why there ain't no video is because I guess I just got a little depressed. I didn't even go to the truck show because, first of all, I cannot walk 3 days non-stop at Louisville. It's just too big. If you remember, the last time I went there, I actually used one of them power chairs, you know. And I think that was last time. Rudy actually went on that one. But I'm not saying I can't walk. I can walk fine, but I just can't stay on my feet for 3 solid days. Because what ends up happening is I get cramps in my legs and my feet, and I'm toast. So even just staying there for a day, just one solid day of walking, is it could be sore for me. But the only one that's really going to be there is Matt is there. I guess little guy's there, and a few others. But I just can't walk all that. I just can't do it. So that I didn't even go. But I did go to my mom's. I came over here. I did some laundry, and Jake and Panda got to run, and that was another thing. To be there and really have the dogs cooped up inside the truck like that, but so we came to the house so that they can run. They got haircuts. They got their haircuts. Jake is back there on the bed, but he got his haircut too. Yeah, they feel better. Yeah, because they got their haircuts. And I did some laundry. But I'm just giving you guys an update to let you know I am still here. And obviously I still got the cameras up on the thing. And I'm not done making videos. I just, again, it has depression. Who am I going to talk to about this stuff? You know, what am I going to do? Make a phone call? Listen, I've had more people that actually backed away from me and used to call me or used to talk to me or whatever. You know, and I don't know if they're playing games with me or whatever. And one guy, I tell you, he used to be from Florida, and now he's in Texas. He was talking to me, and all of a sudden, I couldn't get a hold of him anymore. I'm tired of people playing games with me. And them are the people that I'm just going to forget about. I don't even want to talk about them anymore. But I'm just giving you guys an update of what's happening. Listen, I'll be 55 next month. I am getting older, and I do have a lot of bad habits. And I know everybody's going to say, well, quit your smoking. You know, get out of here. I don't want to hear that crap, you know. I know what I got to do. I know what bad habits are bad, and I know all that. But anyway, just giving you guys an update. So we'll talk to you guys on the next one. Until then, you all be good. Later.